This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. If you are looking for a low-maintenance gated community, then look no further. This home has it all and the budget to match. Simple, easy, laid back, quiet and easy to care for are some of the best words to describe this lovely cottage-style home. Great for those looking for peace and quiet while still being near everyday conveniences. Gated entry adds to the peace of mind, especially if you are a traveler or plan to start. Lock the door and travel away. For more information, review the details below.